As conversations scale, it's not always possible to stay on top of every message in real time. With Periskope, you can set up automated notifications so the right updates reach the right place instantly. Start by heading over to the Automation Rules dashboard. From here, select New Rule and then choose Start from Template. You'll see that automation templates are already organized into different categories. For this, select Automated Notifications. Within this category, you'll find a couple of ready-to-use templates. First, send webhook notification on every new message. This is useful when you want to connect your messaging data with external systems. It allows you to push real-time updates into your own tools, helping you build custom workflows, trigger backend processes, or store data for further analysis. Next, send Slack notification on every new message. This is helpful for keeping your team informed without needing to constantly monitor the platform. It ensures that new messages are instantly shared in Slack, making it easier for teams to stay aligned and respond quickly. Let's take a closer look at Send Webhook Notification on every new message. For this template, the workflow is already set up for you. It starts with the trigger when a new message is received. By default, this applies to messages from external contacts, but you can also enable it for internal messages if needed. Once that happens, the action follows automatically, which is to send a webhook notification. This allows message data to be sent directly to an external endpoint in real time. If needed, you can further refine this by adding conditions. This helps you control when the notification should be triggered, depending on your specific workflow. Once everything is set, simply save and activate the rule. And just like that, your automated notification workflow is up and running in a few minutes. The same flow applies to the other automated notification templates as well. Triggers and actions are already configured, so you can activate them right away and add conditions if you want more control over when notifications are sent. So instead of constantly checking for updates, you can have important events delivered exactly where you need them, when you need them. Want to stay in sync with every conversation? Give Periskope a try using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.